Welcome back to Sawyer Ridge Farm. I'm Jacob, and today we're going to be talking about some new additions to the farm. I know we've been getting a lot these past couple weeks, but this right here we are very, very excited about. We got some new breed of rabbits, and we've been wanting these type of breeds for a long time. So what this breed is called the silver fox rabbit, and it's a very rare breed. Doing some research on it, it used to be critically endangered, and now I think it's just kind of like threatened, so it's not as serious, but it's still a very rare breed, and it's very nice. The first time we ever heard about them was actually from Living Traditions Homestead YouTube channel. Go check them out. We like to watch them a lot. They have a lot of knowledge, and we heard about them, and I started doing research. And the silver fox rabbit is actually like a heritage breed rabbit. It's the third recognized breed in the U.S. It was like back in like 1929 or something like that is when it was recognized by the breed, the standard breeding. But it's just a really cool rabbit. You can tell right here just the fur. It's black, but it has this little silver in it. And then when you press it back, it all sticks up. It doesn't just fold down until you push it down like that. And that's one of the kind of cool things about their fur. And they are a meat breed. They're very calm, as you can tell. Well, I'm going to put her back in the cage real quick, but they're very docile. They're not very skittish a whole lot. So we got two females and we got a buck that we'll go over and show you. These ones, I believe they're probably now about 8 weeks old, if I'm correct. They're younger, so it's going to be a while before we get any kits out of them. But the buck is ready to go, and we've actually bred a couple of our kind of New Zealand Rex crosses just to see what we get out of them. But we got these rabbits from the YouTube channel Walker Farm Fam. We'll put their links down in the description. Go check them out. And please go subscribe to them. They're a small channel just like we are. They're coming up. They're a little bit below 1,000. I think they're at like 920 or something. If we could get them to 1,000, rumor has it that they're supposed to eat a worm if they get above 1,000. I don't know if that's for sure, but that's what everyone's saying. If they get above 1,000, they'll eat a worm. So if we could get them above 1,000, because that's a good milestone when you're just starting out on YouTube. I know for us it was awesome getting above 1,000. So go check them out, Walker Farm Fam. And they have cattle, they got rabbits, and that's where we got ours. And it was crazy because we've been wanting these for so long and just couldn't really find anyone around here that had them, because they are a very rare breed. You don't see them a whole lot. And they also have, I believe it's like they call it a blue silver fox rabbit, and those are even rarer. The breed, the kind of the company or whatever, don't even recognize the blue as a breed anymore just because they were so rare. So we're definitely maybe going to try to get a blue from them and just try to, start this silver fox. Don't know. We could just have all silver fox now. We haven't really made that decision yet, but they're very cool to deal with. These are a dual purpose rabbit. They're meat. They get the good size for meat and for their fur. Now what Walker Farm Fan was telling us whenever we went over there and picked these ones up, they said that this breed was bred to kind of mimic the silver fox, that their fur, because back in the day, the fur trade and all that type of stuff, they were trying to get these to look like the silver fox so they could use them in production. And so that's kind of why they get kind of their name. And their fur is really soft, and it's just cool because it's black and it has that speckle silver through it. So another cool thing that why we get to raise these is because they're almost like a threatened breed, like I was telling you before. And so it just kind of feels cool that we get to breed these rabbits because they're purebred, and we get to kind of keep that silver fox, just keep going so they don't become endangered again. And it's really cool feeling like you're kind of helping this silver fox breed to get more and more and bring them out into the community, and they can be recognized a lot more than they are now. So we're gonna go now check out the buck. Now he is a year old, so he's pretty much kind of full sized in aspect, and he's a pretty big boy. So we'll go over there and look at him real quick. So we're over here where all the rabbits are, our breeders, and this is the buck. He's a big boy. He's about a year old, and we really like him. You can tell his fur a lot more when they get a lot older, because over there they're not as defined. But this is kind of what they're going to look like whenever they get older. And he's good size. We really like him, and he's pretty calm. He kind of jumped a little bit, but not too bad. I'm going to stick him back in the pen here, and you kind of really see how big he is. So that was the buck that we got to breed to the other ones, and we've bred him to our other breeders that we have right now. But we don't have a name for him, and I'm wondering, we really like these silver foxes a lot, and I think some of these need a name. So if y'all got any suggestions on this buck and maybe those two females for names, put them down in the comments, and maybe we can get some names and stuff going along and see what y'all come up with. But like we said, go check out Walker Farm Fam. This is where we got these rabbits from, and we're definitely blessed to have these. Like I said, I just can't keep talking about them because I'm really excited that we have them now. And but check them out, Walker Farm Fam, and they're really close to getting to 1,000, like I said. And if we can get them above 1,000, I'm pretty sure they're supposed to eat a worm. And I guess me kind of calling them out, I guess they're going to have to if they get above 1,000. So go check them out. We'll leave them down in the description. They're a good family, Christian family, and they got some, they have rabbits, they got cattle, and they're doing a garden. They're doing a bunch of stuff over there. So go check them out. And guys, if you like this video, I know it's kind of short, but we just wanted to show you these new additions to our farm because we're very excited about this breed of rabbit. We're just really stoked about it. And if you got any questions about anything, just put them in the comments, and we'll do the best of our abilities to answer them for you. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you get to see our new videos as soon as they come out. But y'all, as always, take care and God bless. It's called Walker Farm Fam. Okay, go check them out. This is we bought them. I can't even be talking right now. All right, so we're over here in the where all the there, calm down. You're all right.